Wagwan, Dancehall Skilla here again once more. Big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. You see? Manners. Now, I'm here with what is considered as a serious topic right about now, viewers and subscribers. And I want to say to all parents and all guardians, be careful of pedophiles. It's no joke. Now, I'm going to present to you a piece of a video. And based on some things that I saw and heard in this video, I got the understanding that during a recording and a conversation, a female confronted a person and said that the person molested her when she was younger. You might be surprised to hear some things that have been said in this video, viewers and subscribers. And I would like you to tell me what you think about some of the things that you're about to hear in this video. Now, please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Principal at school, so you really bypass the pity them at your school and come pity them up at homes. Mr. Mesa, I hope. Me know say it not gonna be true.
That's it.
Yeah, man, that's why when me catch you up, me should just stab you in your life and ourselves. No, man, that's why when me catch you in a place, sir. You remember when me catch you? You remember me catch you in the place and you say, come here? Do you remember when me and you in the tailor? I mean, I remind you about it.
You remember that, Mr. Mesam?
That is not true. I remember the young lady came in a tailor.
Okay. So what?
Yes,
So
I
why
can't
we
tell like so when me, Mr. Paul Mesam, I know you from before you have your little boys. And one behind the other, Mrs. Mesam, your breeder, and bring her come a sacked off Methodist Church. I was one of those girls over LCB Man Children's Home. Let me just refresh your little dirty mind. Mr. Dirty Man. Yeah, I was one of those kids that you fondled and rub your on the front of my and catch your semen. Mr. Mesam, I remember vividly. You have this strong cologne that nobody can. Only you alone wear it. That's why I knew it was you. I'm saying, I just call your name and you just turn around. Like Mr. Mesam, you can't hide. I got there them thing there. See why your features not change because guess what? Alright, Mr. Mesam, me, allow me to tell. I bet you have a bag of people that will come out now. I don't want how you do it too. But I hope they get the courage one day to come out, and I hope your wife, I hope the wife for you have your yard for a long time she know you do this. And not today. I hope the wife that you have at your house stop. Put up and keep a little dirty secret for you. Your fetish behavior for pitney, you have a wife, and from me know you've been married. So from me know you, sir, you've been a do this. I know you're a principal at school. I don't know if you're trouble boys, but I know you're trouble girls. I hope it's not a girls' school you have. I hope and pray because you love little girls.
Yeah, yeah.
I know me alone a ball out, Mr. Mesam. I won't leave away a ball out. I just who not have the courage. I'm going to tell you this. I'm not carry this to a police station. I could have talked a long time. I'm glad I get you to talk to. I'm not carry this to a police station. So if a police here look and handcuff, me not do that. You understand? Me just want to catch you outside at the tailor place. I'm going to bore you. 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 I'm going to bore you until I finally squeeze out the truth out of you. As there's a God above, you just a come from church. Mr. Mesam, remember me that you take inside that little office across from the church? Into the room where you was a treasurer. I don't know what you was doing, but you always have your offering plate. Yes, out there, son. You love to take out a little thinking kerchief right after you're done. One day you see my wife catch us. I mean, I don't know what you think. Me in a clothes and you in a clothes. What me are doing there with you?
Yeah, yeah. Me people, you not listen good. You not hear the things that what she has said. Oh gosh, some people go through some rough things in their life for them people. Listen.
When me did I doing there with you? I was a child. I belong to the government, under the government protection, and you still the home where the church a feed and a mine and a send go to school you fund, you push your in and I rub it up until you left baseline from people front. And then you catch your nasty. What? You don't want to breathe for left? No trail. You little stinker. You never breed me.
Aye.
You never breed me. Go suck your mother.
What if you don't people, you know? But I never know if you would have been so wicked.
Sir, but why would she be telling a lie like this? Imagine I would...
But make him move all like. Alright, just when I catch you, you're going to see all people evil. Mr. Mr. Mental illness real. If I man was like God, tonight when I lie down in your bed, boy, you pray. Me make mental illness trouble you until I get up and just attack all the whole I pity them name where you.
That is not true.
It's true. What is the truth?
What is the truth?
Mr. And money beans attack to you. See, any day I catch you, you will know the truth. Because you see like how me did catch you and you shock your eye and just open and you couldn't believe say I mean a farm flesh. I saw me I go pull you. You remember the look the way you had for your face, you couldn't even see a lie. You just want to come and take time talk. And the same way you go shock. Because the first time when me tell him okay, the man shock out of this world I'll tell you come back and I say come here. You know, say me believe you because I know the man that say I lie. Come here.
Wow.
You're right, sir. I lie. Because when me did catch you with the knife, you should just say I lie and see if me the member say me have respect for the tailor.
Some people got chosen.
You should just say I lie.
But Monica, at least he did say yes, him did, I did you him say. So just that we did want, you know.
No, so, man, sir, me I come for you. You're too wicked, boy, you teach school. Lord, the people them pick them, make sure you're not touching none of them. Cause me know you stay. Me know how you stay. Me some that cologne will let you what that cologne that you have for years. And your wife know your deeds. Your wife know your deeds. She know your deeds from you have the first son. I remember that same look your wife looked at me when she see the two out coming out of the place. And she cut her eye like she saw her dirty drawers. I remember that look.
Coming out of which place? Coming out of which place?
What? Coming out of the office, out of Saxtorf Methodist Church office. The office is that is across from the church on the same compound. Mr. Messam, who the you feel like you talk to? Who you feel like you talk to? The office is across from the church, in the churchyard, where you step 1, 2, 3 step and go inside. I in there something you talk about. Which office? I don't know if you have trouble to pick them at your school. I know say you used to trouble to pick them over the girls who LCB man.
I never know that. People have been so wicked.
Never know what? We never know. You never know, say me?
I don't see I'm so wicked. Go.
What?
Have mercy.
Sir, so are you saying that Monique is lying?
Nothing about but me screw off with a girl answer. Nothing about stuff.
But why would she make up a story like that?
I hope the church, yes, dirty. Remember, say people over at church, no boy, you know. Go, no, go, so move your. I mean, not go, so. People know you.
Somebody else was on the live.
Nobody can't tell a lie on you.
That is because you met them did have to run away and not go back. Sir, just
oh, Mr. Messam, with any oil you start give me a have to continue when you want it.
Mr. Messam,
I tell you. I get a little 2 pence. You go in the office and him feel you up and rub him on the front of your. I don't know if him do more things to other people. Rub up him, juk. He not pushing the whole life. And when he must come in jaw out the and catch it in him handkerchief. And wrap it up. And shove it back in your back pocket. Your wife know about it. Go ahead. Dirty boy. Your wife wash one heap of them. So if you are say a lie, your wife shame like that. If the two on the come from this and say a lie, me know say inside supposed to eat.
My people, you listen to the things that the female said. Did you listen carefully? No joking thing. In my point of view, she angry. Right? In my point of view, she seems angry, my people. I mean, no want she put herself in no trouble in my people. And that's the thing now, you know. Say, me no want she put herself in any trouble. I would rather she put the whole situation in the hands of the law. Saying, I respect that she find the courage for can put something like this out there on social media, but me no want she put herself in a trouble. You understand me, I say, my people? Me hear all the word principal mentioned in the video, you know. Principal, no, my people. See? I tell you. So all when people in a state care, you still have a concern about certain things. All them things that, well, I tell you, you know my people, that's some heavy sitting. Me hear in another video, I tell you the truth, my people. Heavy. So me I say, no joking thing. And based on the things that the female said, you know, are based on this whole situation then my people. This not isolated, you know. I know me, the amount of times me I hear about situations that are somewhat similar, not exactly, and certain videos on social media where people talk about certain things. Them things enough happen. Them things enough happen, my people. But John, me no know, me I tell you. We live in a world where there's a lot to worry about and concern about as well. But overall, I want to big up and respect to all of the good people out there. Yeah, man, good people don't deserve big up and respect. More if you really and truly listen to the things that the female said. Be real, my people. Eh? Jano. Me don't like that person, the accused. Me don't like that person there. Figure full explanation to the things that the female say. Me don't like fear theme or that person the explanation there. Me don't like fear. Alright, about now, me just call that person that person. Right now. I would like you to tell me what you think about the things that have been said in that video. See? And I hope that that video can bring some form of awareness. And if there's anyone out there who have got through certain situations or have been through certain type of situation that might not be the same but can be somewhat similar based on the things that the female said, don't be afraid to let someone know. Speak to someone, talk to someone. Do not put yourself in trouble with the law. Try and resolve things the legal way. See? Because I'm not real. It's not right for children go through certain things, and it's still not right for no adults go through certain things. And I hope you know what I mean. Chano, me I tell you the truth, my people. So let me know what you think. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.